Same way, only keep the fam around me. So let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide.
Biding my time, I hope that it ain't so. Facing the truth, the eye of the needle. And even if we're not solving this riddle, there's no taking back all the deeds that we've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. You don't like or love me. I breathe it all out and I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out and I breathe in. The eye of the needle. I'm biding my time, I know the way this goes. I try to stand tall with nothing to lean on. All quiet and still, an echo that goes on. And I'm not taking back all the deeds that I've done. There's a lot that we did wrong, looking back on all of the shit we've done. I cannot believe that it's been so long, that we're in the eye of the needle. When you don't like or love me, I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. When there is no way back in, and we are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. We are the eye of the needle. Just breathe it out.
Hi guys, It's not working by the beach. It's a fight against the wind and the sand. We are very tired. But the wind wasn't that strong.
I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. Breathe it out, you're the needle. We are the eye of the needle. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. I breathe it all out, then I breathe in. Breathe it all out. We are the eye of the needle.
Wasting money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out. like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. 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 Time is running. Time is running out. But time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over. They can't be over now. Time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over now. Time is running out.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. I know I've started vlogging on Saturday already. No? Yeah, Saturday we went to the beach, but I never opened the vlog. I never spoke to you guys. Today is Monday afternoon. It's around 4. So let's open our vlog. My name is Mildred Mashwabani, aka Mrs. M. To my returning subscribers, my people, my mainsies, thank you so much for your love and your support. You guys know how much I love and appreciate your support. If you're new here, you see this face for the first time, you like what you see, don't hesitate. Go and hit the subscribe button to become part of my people, my mainsies. Guys, as I said, it's a new vlog and it's Monday. I appreciate you guys so much. Our channel is growing very slow, but I believe it's meant, should I say, everything is meant to be the way it is. Because when I look at my vlogs, my previous vlogs, my way of editing, my confidence when it comes to speaking into the camera, a lot of things, man, I see little by little it's getting better. I'm getting there. I become a bit more confident. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. I truly appreciate you guys. So the main reason why I'm here, my battery was flat. I went to, you guys saw, I think I took little clips when I was on my way dropping Nontle off at her place, and then I went to the butchery to go get meat, right? So I wanted to try out Fairfield. Everybody's going on about Fairfield, and so most of the times when I pass there, I see there's a long queue outside. So I thought, why not going to check what's going on inside instead of me driving all the way to Stikland where I normally buy my meat. I was not happy. I was not happy at all, but I worked with what I could get. Okay. I got burgers. They say it's Dania burgers. Okay. So I assume that it's a bit spicy because it's Dania. And then what's wrong? Sorry guys, I was disturbed. And then I got the wors. It is the Grabo boerewors. So this was 150. Okay. Was 150. Then I got some stewing beef. This was 200 rand. The stewing beef, ne? I got beef mince, beef steak mince for 150 also. Then I got mixed portions of chicken for 200 rand. Yeah, that's all I got from from Fairfield. Okay, then I went to the First Fabric. First Fabric, I got this. I want to try this out. It's buttered hake fillets for 60 rand. It's 4 of them. It's 4 for 60 rand. I got Marcus some fish fingers. Also in the First Fabric for 130. It's a 2 kg. Yeah. And then I just got like what? The small mixed veg at the First Fabric also. So that's all I got. And I worked out a meal plan for Jan. Wait, let me show you guys. Okay, so I worked out a meal plan for Jan. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Meal plans work for me, but for purposes whereby I don't need to stress about what I'm gonna cook. I don't overbuy groceries because of I buy everything about everything. I change my meal plan every month, right? So what does this, how this works is every Monday. So you will see Mondays, there will be breakfast, lunch, and supper. Tuesday, the same, breakfast, lunch, and supper, right? So every Monday, we all know that we're gonna have, if I didn't bake muffins, there will be muffins for breakfast. They can obviously, whatever is in there, they can put jam, they can put cheese or whatever with coffee, whatever in the mornings for breakfast. Then for lunch, there will be sandwiches for lunch. There will be, could be cheese, it could be tuna, whatever is available on the day. And then supper, there will be mince. So it could be mince pasta, it could be whatever is that any meal that has got to do with pasta, with mince on a Monday night. So what this means is, where's the mince? I'll now make 4 portions of this mince. I'll make 4 portions. I'll portion it into 4, right? And then this 4 portions will be for every Monday, because we've got 4 Mondays left in January. 4 Mondays in January. So maybe macaroni, pasta, what, that one with the cheese, what, but a mince meal will be every Monday. Sharp. Tuesday, same thing. Tuesday, if we maybe on here we had maybe muffins, I got to make the muffins, then we can do breakfast will then be cereal or oats. Normally on a Tuesday I'm going to work, so I don't have time to make breakfast, so normally the cereal works on a Tuesday morning. Tuesday lunch times, it's really not as hectic because it's only for Matthew that comes from school, but most of us are at work and we take from the pasta, leftover pasta, to work most of the times on a Tuesday. Supper is then going to be chicken and veggies. So this chicken, once again, it's going to be portioned 4 portions. So every Tuesday we will eat chicken depending on what you're going to make with it. It could be chicken and rice, chicken and veggies, whatever it is, but on a Tuesday it's chicken. Wednesdays, so it goes on. Wednesdays, pork, Fridays, we take it easy. It's beef burgers. So that's the burgers that I guys showed you. It's going to be beef. Fridays, it's the same thing. Fridays, it's on, let me see quickly. Sorry. Yeah, Friday is burgers. Saturday, it's just, I cook, most of the Saturdays, I cook at lunchtime, so I don't make food at night. We eat the leftovers on a Saturday during the day. So if I didn't cook during the day, I'll cook lunchtime like that. Then, so that's wors. So this wors must also be portioned for. Sundays is then going to be the oxtail. I didn't get more oxtail. I must go and buy more at Food Lovers. I think I have got 2 packets in the fridge. I must add another 2. Then I think Thursdays, I didn't mention here. Thursdays is beef, whatever it's gonna be, beef stew, beef strips, whatever it is, I can maneuver this beef. That's why I bought beef strips. Right. So that is my meal plan for January. So in that case, should I not be at home or not be able to cook that night, maybe my husband wants to help me, he can check this thing because I normally stuck it on the fridge. He can check, he can see, oh, for supper tonight it's chicken. He takes the chicken out, he'll do whatever he wants to do with the chicken. You know, that's how it works. Okay? Yeah, it's working for me. Reason why it's working for me, it's because I don't overbuy. I don't buy lamb, chicken, beef, no. You see, all of those things every month. No. Next month, I change it. I sit down with my family, I ask them, what do you guys want on the meal plan for this month? Then they'll say, maybe chicken breast we can make, maybe chicken strips, we can make a chicken, what is that thing? Stir fry, we can make wraps, maybe with a chicken breast. But as long as we know that the chicken breast is for Tuesday. So whatever happens on a Tuesday with the chicken breast, we can make it whatever way. Chicken breast, as long as we know. Tuesdays is chicken breast. Even the wors on a Friday, we can also change it to boerewors rolls. We can make pap and wors. We can make, there's a lot of options with wors. But the fact remains that Friday is wors. Make sense? I hope so. It works for me. Nah? When it comes to breakfast, it's only on a Saturday that you would see, because all of us are most of the time home on a Saturday, and we will then do a full breakfast where it's eggs, bacon, blah blah blah, worsies, whatever. Whatever it is that you want to add on your, ne? Yeah. But for the sandwiches, there's jam, there's peanut butter, there's cheese, there's, for the sandwiches. If you, on the days where it's written, mostly for lunch during the week is a sandwich. Mainly because there is nobody really at home on lunchtime during the week, because we are all at work. And if we do take food to work, most of my husband take food every day. He normally takes, when I portion my food, I portion it enough so that he can get from the leftover food to take to work during the day, because he's working at a place where he can't buy food. So if he doesn't have food, he don't have food. So he has to take food every day when he goes to work. For me, it depends on my mood, or it depends on, do I want to eat that thing the following day. I take food. Sometimes I buy something at work. I have an option of buying at work. When it comes to Matthew don't take lunch to school. He carries money, and if he doesn't carry money, he eats in the morning, and he comes back from school, then he eats after school, and then he eats at night again. So this mainly works for him, the lunches during the week, the lunchtime during the week. But other than that, yes guys, I hope This thing I saw on Facebook. I can't now remember what is this group. There's this group that I'm in on Facebook that teaches about savings, teaches about buying in bulk, those type of things. I saw this thing on Facebook, and I've been doing it since last year. Not since last year, I think 3 years ago. Yeah, I think 3 years ago, I've been doing it like that, and it's working for me. So all basically that I'm topping up on during the week, during the month, is milk, because my kids drink a lot of coffee. Milk, veggies. That's about it. I think, yes. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Wasting money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. Time is running out. Time is running out. Lately I've lost my track. I've sailed the deeper seas, hoping to find something to bring back better times. Oh, I'll say memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead. But time is running out. 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 Time is running. Time is running out. But time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over. They can't be over now. Time is running out. What if my best days are over? They can't be over now. Time is running out. Time is running out. Time is running out.
So guys, I'm done packaging my meat. This is the 4 packets of chicken that came out. I only managed to make 3 packets of the beef. It was too little. I must add another pack. I must buy another pack of beef for the month, vors for the month, and my mince for the month, right? And then, so obviously, what did my meal plan say now again? Let's see. And it's gonna make sense. So on a Monday, it will be mince. So 4 Mondays in a month. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're done with that. Supper for chicken on a Tuesday. There's my 4 packets of chicken. And then pork. I must still go and get pork. The butchery that I went to had no pork. Then Thursdays, it will be beef. I must still add 1 packet of beef here. Then Fridays, it will be burgers. That's the packet of burgers, box of burgers there. Wors for Saturdays. There's my wors here. And then my oxtail is in the fridge already. So there is my meal plan sorted for the month. So yes, guys, I thought I should share. Having a big family, you need to work with strategy. With this economy of Ramaphosa, you need to strategize. Anyway, guys, let me pack my stuff away. I will chat to you guys again. To show you what I made with that fish that I bought. I made some green salad, chippies, some onion. Don't mind my onion, it burnt, okay? And that fish. So yeah, I just wanted to show you quickly what I made. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of our vlog. I am basically just here to close it off. It is the 31st of December today, 2025, and I am here just to close off my last vlog of the year. I would just like to say firstly, on the 16th of December, my channel turned 1 year. Meaning to say, I posted my first vlog on the 16th of December 2024. And from there, or since then, I continuously, consistently vlogged throughout the year of 2025. I am here to say to my people, my menses, guys, thank you so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for just everything that you guys have shown me throughout this year. I am currently sitting on 256 subscribers, and I'm really grateful for the love that you guys have shown me, for those that has become my people, that has become my menses, that subscribed, that went with me through this journey, even if it were full of humps. You guys stood by me. I appreciate you guys very, very much. So I'm just here to close off our vlog as well as our year. Next year will be a better year for each and every one of us. All I want to come and leave you guys with is by saying that there might be a few things that you did not achieve this year. Don't hold on to those things. Sometimes we as people, we move on so quickly from our achievements and then we stay on what we did not achieve. So quickly, you're happy for something, you're happy for the job that you got this year. After 3 months, you're already sharp. You are now looking already for what's the increase going to be. When is the bonus? I wonder how much is the bonus going to be. You're looking now already for a promotion. And that's how our brains are. It's nothing wrong to want more, to want better, but also take time to appreciate where you are currently and what you have achieved currently. There's still a new year to next year that you can achieve what you did not achieve, but take time to celebrate what you've achieved this year. Okay? Would just like to leave you guys with that. And once again, thank you so much. Even for those that did not subscribe, but they kept on coming back and they continuously watched my vlogs without subscribing. Thank you, because also my watch hours are growing, and that shows that my watch hours are showing much more on how many people are watching, but my subscribers grow very slow. I'm also grateful for that. Thank you guys. I hope to see you guys in the next year. You guys must stay safe. I am not sure if I'm going to post it today. I'll most probably post it tomorrow morning. But anyway, once again, thank you guys. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your love, and I truly appreciate your support that you guys have given me throughout 2025. Okay? I love you guys. Cheers for now.
Page you the same way, only keep the fam around me. So let me know.